Say hi, YouTube.
Yeah, you can turn it up 60.
Thought you turned it down, right? No?
Probably. I turned it. Is this our first time on the tablet?
Yeah, without the railing to keep her in. Hope she doesn't fall off.
Cuddling his favorite apple. Good night, little boy. I did not sleep last night. Well, that's a lie. I slept a few times, but maybe a few hours of sleep.
Good morning, pumpkin. That's all the stuff in the closet. Don't climb on that. Yeah, that's a baby gate, or that's a bed gate.
That gave the right terminology. Oh man. Gotta see about that.
Let me see, Broby. Bring me Broby. Bring me Broby. Bring me Broby. Give me that Broby. Give me that Broby.
Give me that, Bobby. Who did you hear this morning? Oh, gross. You spit on me. Say hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. They're here.
Good morning. Do you want to show everyone your apple? Okay, I'm asleep there. Yeah.
Time to fix this thing. So we are almost done. And we are more or less done. We fixed the plumbing. Now we did have issues with the spout of the bathtub. And it's very strange. It shouldn't be that hard, so we'll probably wait till next week to fix that since it's not super important. But without that, we can't run the shower. But the shower should be all set up. We're probably going to add, I'm going to see if I can find like a ring to put behind here, because this isn't, here, let's see if you can see that. It isn't flush against there. So I'm going to mess with that a little bit more. At some point we're going to paint this, but not for, I'm going to take at least a week off if I can. What else? So then that's it. That was everything that needed to be done. Fixed the leak. The leak was some issues with the plumbing that I think we solved. Keep an eye on it anyways, just to be safe. And now we got a new bathtub. Real quick, here's the old one. And here's the new one again. See if we can get further away. Ta-da!